Looks like it's a day for flying. So, but it's also a good day for riding. Right, this is not something I've done before, so bear with me. So I've got a rucksack, and I'm going to strap the plane to the rucksack. If you know, you know. Here is some of the inhabitants of the space, all set up to fly with gliders, drones, and as you can see, all electric. Even Darren.
It's the future.
Don't tell me that's not electric.
No.
Don't tell me.
I try, look at it.
But you know it's emitting carbon. So this is Llantrisant District Aeromodelling Club. As you can see, the boys are flying. It's an absolutely glorious day, and it's just nice to be here. Nice little panoramic view of what's behind the flying site. This is the pits area. This is where everybody obviously sets up. Here's the pilot's box, as we call it, and the boys have put two little marker cones so that they know where to stand, and everybody stands near the marker cones to fly. This is the runway area, and that's for obviously taking off and landing. And the flying site is where everything you can see. And we just enjoy the scenery. This is Darren flying the Ripmax Bolero, which is a nitro model. And that's Chris flying the, is it the Max Thrust Riot? Yeah, that's the Max Thrust Riot. And we've got a dead stick. Oh no! Darren has cried dead stick, and he's going to bring that in. And that's how you do a dead stick.
You said how long will it stay up?
Da. It's only a better landing.
I know.
Oh, Chris has just called landing and he's coming in as well. Oh, come on. Round of applause. The Max Thrust Riot version 2. Sporting the new colour scheme. Very nice. Pleased with the Max Thrust Riot?
Excellent. Absolutely fantastic. It's a fantastic beginner's model, but also good for learning some stuff.
And this is the legendary Ripmax Bolero. You can't get them anymore. They're rare. Look at the throws on it. It's designed to fly slowly and be very aerobatic. So I've got the Bolero and it runs on 5 amp 6S batteries. And that's a beast. Pleased with it, Dad?
Yep.
And we've all crashed and broken them along the way, but yeah, they're repairable. And that one is a balsa construction. The Bolero's balsa with the film cover. The Ripmax was a foam model, but you can repair foam. This is Dave flying. What are you flying, Dave? I know it's a glider.
FMS Studio 17.
That is awesome. That sounds incredible. Thing is, flying a glider is nice and sedate and peaceful and relaxing, but it can also be awesome and really fast. Some of the speed records were beaten in a simple glider. So that's a fair wingspan on that, Dave.
Yeah, 2.5 meters.
2.5 meters. That's incredible. And like I said, it can be crazy fast, or you can soar the thermals, so it gives you kind of the best of both worlds. So can I ride and fly? Sure can. Ride and fly.
Do a low inverted pass.
Right, so after a nice day's flying, loading up and ready for the ride home. Yeah, back on the bike and let's go. And home. Safe and sound, all in one piece. I didn't need the black bag.